Alright, today is the 30th of July 2020 and we're finally gonna decide the very last classic Kone elevator, that is the taller ones, one of the taller ones in Louhela Klipsta near Myyrmäki, Myyrmäki, Vantaa, Finland. This is asunto oli Myyrin sotkaan Vuollemutka 3. The only stake is in this residential building as it has 40 apartments. Quite a lot of them.
Yeah.
And it is faster. Well, the 1983 classic one with 9 floors is too slow. But this is fast enough, actually. This one has 9 floors. That light was changed maybe in the early 2000s, but otherwise it is completely original and it was built in 1982 indeed. A62031 and with the blue Kone logo, which is very beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why they stopped using it sometime in late 1984, but when they introduced Kone, but well, we are on P. Let's go to 48. We can take a right. This is amazing. I'm glad they made it faster.
Yeah.
It doesn't take too much time. So it's amazing.
Yeah.
Check the call button panel here. Almost everything is original here. I just love these relays. 1980s type. It's just green, but it's P basically.
Yeah.
You can press. Of course, it's not the best possible maintenance, but
Yeah.
still amazing.
Inspected by it's sapient maintained by Finland.
Yeah. And it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021. It's turning 40 years old in 2022. I still hope it will not get motorized.
Yeah.
But it is in good shape, I think. Don't you think so too?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. So thank you very much for watching.
That's-
Enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy.